I'm AI Avataro CA Ratan Mundra. Welcome to the latest update of SEZ Online Build version 3.00 released in March 2026. This update introduces important enhancements aimed at improving user experience, simplifying reporting, and aligning the system with evolving business and regulatory requirements. The SEZ Online platform continues to evolve based on feedback from users and industry practices, ensuring smoother compliance and better functionality for SEZ and IFSC units. These updates are not random, they are designed based on real user feedback and operational challenges faced in SEZ transactions. The system enhancements focus on improving compliance accuracy, reducing manual effort, and streamlining reporting processes. However, users must always refer to official legal provisions for final compliance, as the system acts as a facilitator and not a legal authority. This release mainly introduces two major updates. First, the enhancement in the Service Export Reporting format, also known as SERF. Second, improvements in the Trade Data Report functionality. Both updates aim to provide better flexibility, clarity, and usability for SEZ and IFSC users handling service exports and procurement data. Earlier, the SERF format allowed users to report 4 types of services. These included software exports both on-site and off-site, royalty income from software, and other non-IT service exports. While this structure worked earlier, it was limited in handling new use cases, especially for IFSC units. To address growing business needs, 3 new service categories have been introduced. These include exports by IFSC units outside India, services provided between SEZ and IFSC units, and services provided to DTA units. This expands the reporting capability and makes the system more relevant for modern cross-border and domestic service transactions. With these additions, the SERF format now supports a total of 7 service categories. This ensures that all types of service exports, whether domestic, inter-SEZ, or international, are properly captured. This enhancement is especially beneficial for IFSC units operating in GIFT City. To ensure a smooth transition, SEZ Online will temporarily support both old and new SERF formats. However, users are strongly advised to switch to the updated macro format as soon as possible. The older format will be discontinued after a short period, so early adoption is important to avoid disruptions. Once users upload the SERF file, the system automatically generates a summarized view of the data. This summary includes export type, service codes, number of invoices, and total export value in INR. As shown in the screenshot on page 5, this feature helps users quickly review and validate their data before submission. The second major update is in the Trade Data Report under the DSPF module. Previously, reports could only be generated after approval. Now, users can fetch reports using multiple criteria through a newly introduced report basis field. This significantly improves flexibility and reporting efficiency. Users can now generate reports based on invoice date, submission date, or approval date. Additionally, only transactions with specific statuses such as submitted, verified, approved, query raised, or rejected will be included. Draft or unsubmitted requests will not appear in reports, ensuring data accuracy and relevance. Moonsys and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence. A pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup. Operational support and handling compliances, risk management renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university BATF, and ancillary regulations, and fintech, expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA comprehensive support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network, scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.